2 tips to get a super crunchy and delicious corn stick are that number 1, take a portion out of your corn flour and mix it with water to form a paste, or let's say a slurry. And then number 2 is mix your sugar and salt together, add water to form a salt and sugar solution and allow it to boil. Then pour in your corn flour paste. This is to enable it gelatinize properly. I mean, to enable the starch to form properly. This is what will give it the crunchiness. And the salt and sugar solution that you allowed to boil will give it a very nice taste, a milky flavor that would taste as if you added milk, whereas you didn't add any milk. So basically, the process of making this cornstarch is just like when you make your swallow. And if you want to enjoy the rolling process, make sure that your corn starch dough is not too soft. This will make the process very interesting for you. And after rolling, go ahead to fry. You can imagine how crunchy this is, and it tasted so nice. I baked some, it was crunchy, but the taste was awful. Like, subscribe and share.